திரு ஆனந்த் ஸ்ரீனிவாசன் அவர்களின் சாதாரண பங்கு அசாதாரண லாபம் தமிழ் வடிவம் இப்போது கிண்டிலில் கிடைக்கிறது. இந்த புத்தகம் புதிய முதலீட்டாளர்களுக்கு பங்குச்சந்தை பற்றிய ஒரு அறிமுகமாக இருக்கும். இந்த புத்தகத்தை நீங்கள் கிண்டிலில் வாங்க விரும்பினால் வீடியோவின் கீழே இருக்கும் லிங்கை கிளிக் செய்யுங்கள்.
Good evening. There is a lot of development taking place in international taxation. What happened is India went ahead and started to tax digital transactions at 25%. Basically, what happened is money that was being earned by Google here was not being taxed here. It's not only Google, it is all the tech companies, especially the social media companies, were earning a lot of money of India and not paying tax. So our budget introduced a Google, what is known as a digital transaction tax, to charge social media companies for money that is supposedly being earned in India. Every country has been doing this, and there has been a lot of dragging going on this. 7 countries decided to impose their own digital taxes. This included England and Italy and other important countries. America recently, through its state representative, slapped a punitive 25% tax on all Indian goods and subsequently suspended it immediately, saying that this suspension will be revoked if no agreement is reached on international taxes. G7, 7 important countries in the world, have been talking about a treaty among themselves and then expanding it to other countries. What they have been talking is a uniform taxes on digital transactions that go across the globe. All the major digital companies like Apple, Google, Facebook normally keep their profits in areas where there is minimum taxation. So even America does not get to tax these companies to the maximum. As the money is fungible, these companies are available everywhere and money is moved to locations where there is very less tax. Now what has happened is these G7 countries have informally agreed that they will tax all digital transactions. The income tax rate that these people have agreed is at 15%. Some of these countries want the taxes to be at 25% and not at 15%. The only major stumbling block at this point of time is America, because most of these companies that are being taxed are American companies. So, America does not want taxation rates to be at 25%. And they want a lower taxation rate. Most of these countries now have agreed at a uniform tax rate of 15%. This will mean that the major software companies and social media companies, which were moving their money around the world to keep taxes very low, will soon have to pay taxes at least at 15% of their earnings. And the taxes will be equally divided among these countries according to the terms of revenue generated. Suppose India is generating 1,000 crores of revenue for all software companies on which tax is not paid, then India will get 15% of that taxes. That is, it's not 1,000 crores of revenues, it's 1,000 crores of profits. If 1,000 crores of profits are made in India, India will get 15% of it, and so forth and so on. This international agreement has been in negotiation for a long time. If this goes through, then very soon we will have uniform corporate taxes for international transactions, and money cannot be parked in countries where taxes are low, and where taxes are higher, companies cannot escape taxation. However, the taxes that are charged on these companies will be far lower than what their normal rate is. In Scandinavian countries, taxes are very high, in the range of 40 to 50%. These companies will be paying a tax of only 15% on them. This means, however, that the software companies and the social media companies will pay more taxes than before. And it is possible to show that all the world countries can agree to tax these digital transactions and divide the pie equitably among all of them. This is a very important step. As of today, what is happening is the Indian tax authorities felt that advertisements of Google was being generated in India. Facebook's maximum advertisement was generated in India. The payment was being routed to Singapore or other tax neutral countries, and India was not getting its fair share of taxes. And Facebook was only paying minimal tax in India while generating maximum profits. To a point, some nationalists kept saying that India was being robbed of its rightful share of taxes by Joe Biden and America. This negotiation within the G7 countries and later within the G20 will put an end to this problem, thus solving this problem once for all. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.